This channel is sponsored by Creality. Go to Creality.com and find all of your 3D printing tools.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to start talking about the SVJ again. So basically I've been working on that, trying to get some of the parts, basically Duraglass where I have some fiberglass issues, kind of chip that off, and then I mix a little long strand fiber into the Duraglass. So it's really tough stuff. As my friend Dario pointed out, it's really hard to sand, but that's good because we want a nice hard surface to put our body filler on. Anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at what we've done so far. So I spent last week doing the roof here, basically just getting that all kind of flattened out, getting all of the bubbles out of it, and then getting, you know, a lot of the interior parts kind of working better because it had a lot of bubbles and things in it. And yeah, so that turned out pretty nice. It still needs to be body worked with a regular body filler, but the Duraglass is making it nice and strong. Plus, it's actually quite light, which is really a bonus. Over here, oh look, we have our friend. Hey Remus, what you doing, buddy? Remus comes and helps me sometimes. He's an outdoor kitty. Come here, Remus. No? All right. He comes out, he evaluates my work, basically lets me know what's right, what's wrong, and then he wants some scritches. So we give Remus some scritches. He's a good kitty. Yeah, but he's really good at body work apparently because he tells me all about it. Don't you, Remus? Yeah. Anyway, back to it. The other thing that we did was put in these hinges. There's Remus going to check out the car. He's going to give it his inspection. Hopefully he doesn't pee in it. So getting these hinges in was no small task. And then I also got a latch and receiver here. So basically now the hood works. I still have to get the gas shock in. Whoop, I think we scared Remus. But there we go. So, and then I took my new belt sander. It's a $40 Amazon special to the hood. This is again a piece of equipment that Dario said I should have, so we can do some of the flat spots and really knock down any high spots. We still have to go in and scuff up the shiny bits, but that'll be ready for body filler pretty soon. We've got to fix this repair here. And then on to this bad boy. So the engine cover, which has a lot of different areas in it. You can see where I've done the long strand fiber, where I've got an edge that needs to be repaired, and also some areas where we want nice and flat. So we're getting that all done, but basically all of this stuff is for where the fiberglass did not adhere very well, at least the second layer. The first layer adhered great because I actually acetoned it in. Okay, so I got this with a layer of lightweight filler on it, and basically started sanding that down to do the first layer. We'll get that done, do another thin coat on the areas that need it, and keep on sanding, which I know is exciting, right? Anyway, I know you guys aren't too interested in sanding, but that's okay. So with the SVJ, which is there, we're going to work on the exhaust. So I have to get the exhaust routed so that it can fit the outlets for the SVJ. I still have some work to do up front for the suspension. The cantilevered suspension right now doesn't have the air cups on it because of constraints in the geometry, so I have to get in there and fix that. And there's some other mechanical things and electrical things that we have to do moving forward. Anyway, I hope you guys are liking the journey. Hopefully we're going to make some serious progress on the SVJ now that it's summertime, and then get this off and get it painted. So anyway, stay tuned. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please do. See you guys next time. Bye.